Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to sharpen your image in Photoshop. Now don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Now here we have an image that we want to sharpen because as we can see, as we zoom out, we can see noises in our image. Now we want to cancel that out. Now the first step to do is to go to image size, the width, make sure that it is in pixels, make the resolution to 400 and pixels per inch. Now for the resample, let's choose Preserve Details Enlargement and make sure that the Reduce Noise is in 100%. After that, we click OK. Our image will be zoomed in. So to simply zoom out, press Ctrl 0 in our keyboard. There, you can already see the slight differences or improvements in our image. The next step is to press Ctrl J on our keyboard or to duplicate or make a layer out of it. Now, next step is to go to Filter, Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. Here, let's make the amount 80%, the radius 10, and the threshold 16 levels. Simply click OK, and go to Filter again, go to Other, and then click on High Pass. Make sure that the radius is 2.5 pixels, then click OK. After that, double click on the space after layer 1 to go to our layer options. Now here in our blending options, select blend mode, go to soft light or choose soft light and then select OK. Now here we can already see that our image is already sharpened. Now thank you all for watching and I hope that you have learned something from this video.